If you want to get started with ChatOn chatbot, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you can go ahead to the official website. Make sure that you go and start your new account, right? Chatbot is a ChatOn or AI assistant, so you can log in with your Apple or Google. In my case, I'm gonna use Google, right? So I'm gonna use Google right here. I'm gonna continue and continue at the bottom. You're gonna wait for a few moments right here, and as you can see, you'll be able to log in with your account, and you can basically ask questions like ChatGPT, right? Like organize or basically explore list of top games right here on in your favorite game genre right here. What she or he or it asks me what's my favorite game. Let's say Outlast, right? I'm gonna just go ahead. It says which mobile platform did you use? iOS, right? So it works like an assistant. You can follow up question. You can ask a follow up question to basically uh, let the assistant helps you. Right here, here's a five popular mobile games in the Outlast genre that have high ratings on iOS. Right here, you have Amnesia, right? Silent Hill, Granny, Horrorfield. Okay, and if you want, you could click right here the three bars at the top right to see your history right here of searches, so you can get back to it later. And you can see right here the pencil at the top to start a new conversation. And basically, you can see right here the paper kind of thing at the bottom right. Right, you can click on it, and this is basically for a commercial for premium access. You can basically have chat gpt 4.0 mini and unlimited chat, unlimited chat and advanced image generation, faster response time, customer support, and unlimited chat history. Okay, so you can save as much chat history as you're not limited to a storage, and you will not have to delete or exclude some searches that benefits you in the long run. So basically, you ask questions, and that ChatOn assistant will help you basically with suggestions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. You will definitely see you in the next one.